Hey everybody, what's going on? So, what are you doing to organize? What are you doing to set yourself up for when we do start jamming, cracking, and all that other good stuff? You have to have a plan, okay? Meanwhile, my greatest suggestion is positive infusion. And what do I mean by that? You have a staff, keep them alert. Show them that you care. Call them, email them, text them. Just be at the forefront of the love, you know what I'm saying? It's important that we stay in touch with one another. And it's important that we realize that, we've been saying that we're all in this together, but we really are. This is serious more than ever. So make sure that you are in touch with your staff. For you hairdressers, don't be afraid to be in touch with your boss, with your employer. It's important that we communicate, that we find ways to better assess the situation as it comes forward, so that when we do go back, we have a better assessment of how we're going to do business. What have we done in our salon, for example? Well, we've had discussions, number one, of clients cannot come into the salon just because they have a 10 o'clock appointment. Since we are in New York State, we're being told that we're probably going to have to service one client per stylist. Our guess is at this point that probably we're going to have to tell clients, if you have your appointment, say 10 o'clock, Judy Smith, well, Judy has to wait in the car until we let her know that it's safe to come into the salon. She must enter with a mask on and with gloves. And that's a lot of supplies. That's not your responsibility to have masks and gloves for your clients. That's how I feel about it. They have to have their own, okay? They come, they wait outside, they're in the parking lot. Before they put, for us, it's metered parking. Before they do any of that stuff, we'll let them know, hey, it's safe for you to come in. When they do come in, we are thinking about, taking temperatures. Yes, no, I don't know. But that is something that has been part of our discussion. One of the things that I've done is have a Zoom meeting with my staff to see how they feel about stuff. So that this way, I'm not the only one making decisions, and any decisions I make, they're of convenience and comfort to the rest of my team. Once clients are inside the salon, immediately, they have to be set up, whether it's color, whether it's, get them ready for a haircut. We're scheduling them 1 hour apart. We're leaving at least an hour per service. We're not doing any color corrections at the moment, simply because we just don't know time factor or any of that sort. So what we are doing is basically tell them, look, you're coming in for a single process. We will help you to get rid of the roots that show you've been alive this whole time. And then we'll make an assessment. If we have to, we'll come in at a later time. We'll come in on a Sunday if we have to. Right now, we have to have an open mind to an open schedule, so that we can better put our time together to make sure that we're making our clients happy and ourselves too. There's lots of things that we can do at the moment. I'm separating in my shampoo room, I'm separating the sinks with dividers, okay? There's lots of different ideas out there and lots of different things that we can do. The most important thing is to stay calm, is to remain focused. Don't be afraid. This is new to us all. It's new to the customers. It's going to be new to you. So we're going to do the best we can. The most important thing is smile, stay happy. Right? I know it's a silly thing to say, but it's true. Look, think about this. For many of us, we are healthy, we're alive, we're still going about day-to-day life. A good friend of mine said, don't think of it as isolation, think of it as incubation. Something that's incubating is about to break out and become better, become new. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to incubate right now. We're incubating to become better and to become new. It's just a better way to be. Because it's not just a pandemic, it's going to become a polemic. And we're having enough people having issues that the last thing we want is arguments and disagreements. So I'm coming at you with a little bit of advice. I probably didn't tell you everything because I too have a lot on my mind. But I can tell you that, I'm looking forward to getting back into the salon, and I'm looking forward to doing what I love best. I do realize that as we watch TV and we're listening to our leaders, there's lots of different opinions. I've realized that even they are not sure of what's up. So I'm not passing too much judgment on them because day by day they change their mind. Even the doctors, one day it's A, one day it's B. It's nobody's fault. This is new to everybody. So let's all do the best we can. Let's stay tight, let's stay focused, strong, love each other, and we'll see you soon in your salons, all right? Love you, man. Hey, we make people beautiful. We make people feel great, all right? Wish you all the best. Ciao. You can reach out to me if you got questions, all right?